Let's begin with looking at this blue arc JKL. It's been intercepted by angle M. And we know that the inscribed angle is half as big as the intercepted arc. So whatever this red angle's measure is, if you multiplied it by 2, you'd have the blue arc's measure, which is 198 degrees. So if we even divide that by 2, then we know that this angle is 99 degrees. Now we'll do the same thing for this other given arc, KLM, which is 216 degrees. Angle J is the inscribed angle that intercepts the green arc. So the measure of angle J times 2 is equal to 216. So if we divide 216 by 2, we know the measure of angle J. It's 108. So one of the ideas we learned was the last theorem. When a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, the opposite angles have to be supplementary. These two blue angles add up to 180. These two red opposite angles add up to 180. And so if we solve each of those equations, we'll know what L and K are, just by subtracting these numbers from 180. And that's how we found the measures of the angles of quadrilateral JKLM.